Most of you have heard about the paint and primer in one. Can this be true? Well, the answer is yes and no. If you are getting ready to repaint an interior or exterior surface that is in good condition, it can be successfully repainted with a self-priming Benjamin Moore premium paint. However, priming can be an important part of painting. All new uncoated surfaces or surfaces that have not yet been repainted for a long time must be primed. However, Aura is an exception as a result of its unique self-priming attributes. A primer can help paint last longer and give a stronger, more uniform surface for the paint to stick to. It can also provide some protection to the surface that you're painting, so that extra effort is certainly well worth it. Essentially, primers act as a binding layer for paint, so using a high quality primer will enhance the ultimate quality of your painting. Some primer offer special properties to address specific issues. Wood surfaces require priming because wood is porous and primer helps seal the wood and provide a smoother surface for painting. Prepare the wood for priming by thoroughly cleaning the surface. Any imperfections will show through the paint. You may need to add wood filler to repair cracks and knot holes and sand the surface smooth before priming. Choose a quality primer. We recommend Benjamin Moore's Fresh Start All-Purpose 100% Acrylic Primer for wood surfaces. Walls and ceilings that are stained or have water damage need priming as well. If you paint the stains, they will seep through the paint, so it's important to add primer that is designed to cover stains and water damage. We recommend Benjamin Moore's Fresh Start Superior Primer. Painting a light colour over a darker colour may require priming, so that the darker colour won't bleed through. This will help reduce the number of coats of paint you will have to use, as well as provide a better quality finish. Metal surfaces require priming to help prevent rusting and provide a more solid surface for the paint to stick to. We recommend Benjamin Moore's Super Spec HP Acrylic Metal Primer that is designed to reduce corrosion. Priming the entire surface may not be required. If you are doing a repaint and there are only small areas that have an issue, you may be able to spot prime.